guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for sweet potato beef stew. It is a family favorite and I make it pretty much during the entire fall season, winter season, and it's very few ingredients but it's great on flavor. So let's go over the ingredients and let's just get started, guys. Okay, you guys, for the entire recipe you are going to need sweet potatoes and carrots, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a bay leaf. You're also going to need Worcestershire sauce, tomato paste, beef broth, a half a cup of water, beef cubes, butter, and oil. For the full written recipe, I will leave a link down below in the description box, and you can go to my website and it is completely printable and you can print that out. Okay guys, I've got a Dutch oven over medium-low heat. I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and about a teaspoon of butter. Now I went ahead and seasoned my meat with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm just going to do this in 2 batches. Just go ahead and sear this on both sides. Okay, I've taken all of the meat out and I've put it in this bowl here. I'm just going to set that aside. I've turned my heat down to low. I'm going to add my onions. A little bit of salt and pepper. And we're just going to cook these onions about 5 minutes until they're tender. Okay, you guys, the onions are soft, and now we're just going to add in all of our spices. I'm going to add in our Worcestershire sauce. About 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Give that a stir. Now we're going to add in our paprika and brown sugar and our bay leaf. A little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to let this cook for about a minute. Now you're just going to add in your broth. This is about 4.5 cups, 5 cups of broth. Just give this a stir. And now you're going to add in the meat, all of the juices. I'm going to turn your heat up to medium and you're going to bring this to a boil. When it comes to a boil, turn your heat back down to low and you're going to cook this for about 1.5 hours. Okay guys, I've brought it up to a boil. I'm just going to give it a stir just to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. I'm going to turn my heat to low. Put on a lid, and we're going to cook this for 1.5 hours. Be sure to come back every once in a while and just give it a stir. so that way nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. And I'll see you back for the next step. Okay guys, it's been an hour and a half, and now I'm just going to come in and add in my sweet potato and my carrot. And give this a stir. Go ahead and take out that bay leaf. Now in the cooking process, if the water gets low, just come back and add a little bit more water. I added about 3 more cups of water during the process. So we're just going to let this cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, just until the sweet potato and carrots get tender. And then I will meet you right back here. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 15 minutes or so. Mine's going to take a little bit longer because the sweet potato pieces are a little bit bigger, but that is okay. So what I've got here is I just added the flour to the water and just give this a little mix. Make sure that's well combined in there. And then just add this to your stew. And this is going to help thicken it. Now you're going to let this cook another 5 minutes or so, just until this gets thick. Or thicker. It's not going to be really thick. It's just going to thicken the soup consistency up a little bit. And then you're going to go in and check for a seasoning and add any more salt and pepper if you need it. Okay, you guys, I have a bowl right here, and it's been on the counter cooling for a few minutes. I had to wait to film this outro for you guys because this is my daughter's favorite beef stew. She absolutely loves it. So I went ahead and let her get her bowl and eat her dinner before I filmed this for you guys. So I just scooped me up a little bit to try for you guys. I mean, this beef stew is so good. So let's just get a little bite here. So hot. That meat, so super tender. And the broth, it's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that little red subscribe button down below. It's completely free. And join us here at the Southern Rustic and be part of the family. And don't forget to tick that little notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I upload every Monday and Thursday, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.